ಓ ಸಂತರೇ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪಾಲಕರೇ.
ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತರಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷರಾದ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳೇ, ದೇವರ ನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ದೇವರು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳನ್ನು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರನ್ನು, ಈ ಲೋಕದ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ.
ಓ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷ ಸಂತರೇ, ಓ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ಪವಾಡ ಸಂತರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಕರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಕರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯೇ, ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ, ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ, ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ, ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಯುವವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಯುವವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವವರೇ, ಪವಾಡ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ. ಪವಾಡ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ. ಓ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ, ಓ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ. Alleluia, 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 Alleluia.
Wishing you all a happy feast of St. Anthony at Bet al Suru, a place of blessings and a place of miracles where thousands of pilgrims come over here to seek the intercession of the wonder worker St. Anthony. Welcomes all of you to receive God's enormous blessings. The history goes behind more than 300 years, wherein a farmer found a small doll in the field. Thinking it to be a doll, it took it and gave it to his children to play. They were playing with it. After their play, they just threw it along with the other dolls and came home. But to their surprise, they could see that the doll which was thrown away was on their rooftop. It was surprising enough, but they were not taken up because they thought it was a coincidence. Once again, it was given to the children to play. The same thing repeated, and it was found on the roof. The third time it happened, they were literally frightened and surprised, thinking that this must be something miraculous over here. A doll with no hands. It was there, so they took it and they thought it must be a god and went to a temple priest here and gave it to him to place it in their temple. The temple priest saw it and said, this perhaps is not of our religion. You can ask one man who comes over here with a white cassock on his horseback. Perhaps they call him as Christian. You ask him, he may be able to help you out. And when they did ask him, he saw the particular so-called doll and recognized it to be the powerful saint St. Anthony. And he told them it is St. Anthony's statue. And the people over here, they wanted to keep this statue and pay homage to it. So a small hut was built and people started paying their homage to the saint. Some years later, people from Harabale, that is the neighboring village, said this particular place is a substation for us and this particular statue should be brought to Holy Rosary Church, Harabale. And they came over here, forcefully took the statue to be installed in that place. But as they took the statue, they had to face a lot of obstacles on the way. And with great difficulty, they took the statue, went over there and installed the statue. But after a few days, the statue went missing. They did not know where it was. It was neither in Harabale nor in Bettadalsuru. Surprisingly, after some days, once again the statue was found at Bettadalsur in the same hut. And people started flocking once again. And the farmer who got this statue had a dream, and in his dream, St. Anthony appeared and said, "Keep me as I am, keep me wherever I am." And that's the reason this statue, though it does not have both the hands, it is retained even until now. There is also an history about the church bell, which was also taken from here to yet another church at Harabale, but it never had that kind of sound. When it was brought back here, the small bell, it gives sound to almost 9 villages around. So people started coming, flocking over here. It has a tradition of people walking all the way from kilometers, 50, 60, 70, 100, 150 kilometers they come here. People from south, people from north, people from Karnataka, from Tamil Nadu, everywhere. They come here, they pray over and they get their blessings. Miracles just happen over this place. And when I was posted here to come to this parish, in November 26th, in the evening, around 7:30, when I was just walking towards my office and I saw the CCTV, I could feel that there was a person who was just moving around and doing certain things. I thought it was our old sacristan. I called my cook, Mr. Rayappa, and I said, "See, somebody is there. Perhaps this is Mariappa. Ask him to put on the light and do the things." Rayappa came over and saw it, and he was surprised, and he said, "This is not Mariappa, this is somebody else." By then, children came for their tuition. I asked each one, "What is it?" And each one started saying, "Oh, it must be a spirit, or it must be St. Anthony, or it must be a ghost, or it must be something quite different." Perhaps I made a video call to my mother, and when I spoke to her and I showed her, she was also thrilled to see that vision. And my nephew asked me to take 1-minute video clip and send it to him. When I took that video, I sent it to him and to my cook Rayappa, and I forgot about it. It was a Tuesday, and the same day where I happened to come through the forest, and I was in fact stopped over by 13 elephants which just crossed over on this road, and I was stuck over there. The same day this particular event happened, but after that event, after 2 days, people came sending the messages to me, sending the same video and telling me that this particular miracle happened. And it went on such viral that Bishop called up and said, "You stand by their simple faith. And in fact, that silhouette which was seen by me is the same as St. Anthony. My dear friends, I had only heard about this place, but today with conviction I can say it is a powerful place where miracles just flow. People just come there to pay their homage, to give their thanks, and they make their offerings, and it is a simple faith but a strong faith. They are convinced so much so even the people of other religions just walk in and they say, Namma Devaru, our God has blessed us. And this is how this place has been more popular. And this place is not a simple place. Thousands of people flock here and they pay their homage. And devotions like shaving their head, devotions like offerings, devotions like offering the body parts, devotions like walking on their knees or lighting the candles are most popular devotions here.
ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊರಕಿತು ಸುಂದರ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯು,
ಸಂತರ ದಿವ್ಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯು. ಹಲಸೂರ
ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊರಕಿತು ಸುಂದರ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯು,
ದೇವರ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಪಸರಿಸಲು
ರೂಪಿತವಾಯಿತು ಗುಡಿಯೊಂದು. ದೇವರ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಪಸರಿಸಲು ರೂಪಿತವಾಯಿತು ಗುಡಿಯೊಂದು. ಬೇಡುವ ಜನತೆಯ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರು ನಡೆಸುವರು. ಆದೆನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷರೇ ನಾವು, ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ನೆರವನ್ನು ಕೋರೆವು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕರುಣಿಸಿ ದೇವರ ವರವನ್ನು. ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಲು ಪ್ರೇಮದಿ ಕೇಳುವ ಸಂತರೇ,
ಕಷ್ಟವ ಕೇಳುವ ಸಂತರೇ.
ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಲು ಪ್ರೇಮದಿ ಕೇಳುವ
ಸಂತರೇ. ಬಂದರ ವೇದನೆ ಆಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ದುಃಖವ ನೀಗಿಸಿ ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತಾ.
ಭಕ್ತರ ವೇದನೆ ಆಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ
ದುಃಖವ ನೀಗಿಸಿ ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತಾ.
ಹರಕೆಯ ನೀಡುವ ಭಕ್ತರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುವಿರಿ ಅದ್ಭುತ ನಿಜವಿಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾಡೆವು ನಿಮಗೆ
ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷರೇ ನಾವು, ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ನೆರವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ವೆವು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ಕರುಣಿಸಿ ದೇವರ ವರವನ್ನು.
ಹಾಡೆವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷರೇ ನಾವು, ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ನೆರವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ವೆವು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕರುಣಿಸಿ ದೇವರ ವರವನ್ನು. ಬೆಟ್ಟದಾಲಸೂರ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ,
ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ,
ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿ ನಿರುತವು ನಮಗಾಗಿ,
ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿ ನಿರುತವು ನಮಗಾಗಿ. ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿ ನಿರುತವು ನಮಗಾಗಿ.
The popular devotions, especially during festal season, is people come over here, they shave their heads. There are 2 tonsure halls wherein so many who come over, they offer their hair. They come over here to offer silver body parts as an offering to St. Anthony. They light as many candles as possible. This place particularly, they light up with the candles. They also go for a knee walk. They also come walking all the way from their village. It is not just the elderly who makes the commitment. Along with their family, right from the eldest one to the youngest one, they start their journey and they travel. I'm also being told that places like Tadguppe, Mariapura, they start their journey on the previous evening 3 o'clock. They come here on the following early morning 3 o'clock. They reach over. From Harubale, they start around 3 o'clock in the morning. They come over here by 10:30. People from Salem come over here by walk. So that's how this place is a powerful place where we witness the real presence of St. Anthony. There is also legendary where St. Anthony is seen by so many walking towards them and blessing them. It's a small village with 22 families, Catholic families, and 82 other communities, but the devotion and the faith that is portrayed or shown is very much known by everybody. Everybody live in unity. Every first Tuesday of the month is a special devotion to St. Anthony, wherein we have special prayer service beginning at 10:30 a.m. in the morning, with the procession and the rosary and the statue being carried over, followed by a special healing adoration and the Eucharistic celebration, after which food is being offered to all the devotees who come here. The masses specially offered for the devotion of St. Anthony would be on Tuesdays and Sundays. Tuesdays morning 6:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. and on Sundays morning 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. Please do come over here and receive all the blessings of St. Anthony. One little request with regard to the food offering that happens on every first Tuesday. There are certain donors who come forward to offer this food to all the devotees who come over here. The number has increased. It is more than 600 people who gather over here and they pay their homage. And those of you who are interested could contribute their mite for the same. My dear friends, as we receive the blessing of St. Anthony, this place needs much more growth. It needs some more help from all the people so that we develop this place a pilgrim center, a shrine, an upcoming shrine for our diocese. So those of you who are willing to come forward, the bank details would be provided after this clip. Continue to pray for God's blessing, and I bless you all in the name of St. Anthony, the wonder worker. ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ಈ ವಿಶೇಷ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷರಾದ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋನಿಯವರ ಶುರುಪದ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದವನ್ನು ನಾವು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ತಲೆಬಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸರ್ವಶಕ್ತ ದೇವರಾದ ಪಿತ, ಸುತ ಮತ್ತು ಪವಿತ್ರಾತ್ಮರು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಿ ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ.
ಆಮೆನ್.
ಓ ಸಂತರೇ, ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ, ಓ ಸಂತರೇ, ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ, ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪಾಲಕರೇ. ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷ ಸಂತರೇ, ಓ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ಪವಾಡ ಸಂತರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಕರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಕರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯೇ, ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ, ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ, ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ, ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಯುವವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಯುವವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವವರೇ, ಪವಾಡ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ. ಪವಾಡ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿರಿ. ಓ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ, ಓ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷ ಸಂತ ಅಂತೋಣಿಯವರೇ. Alleluia, 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 Alleluia. ಪುತ್ರರೊಡಗೂಡಿ ಅರಸೇ ಮನತಾಯೇ, ಓ ಎಡಬಿಡದ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪವಿತ್ರ ಶಿಲುಬೆಯ ಗುರುತಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಅವರಿಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವೇಶ್ವರ ಪಿತನ ಸುತನ ಪವಿತ್ರ ನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೆನ್.